If you're looking for the best WooCommerce theme to launch your next online store, this video is for you, because in this video I'm going to show you the best WooCommerce theme I've used to build over 200 e-commerce websites for business owners on the internet. By the way, if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, I am Faith Amole. I'm a digital marketer and a web designer. I help business owners build professional websites with WordPress, WooCommerce and Shopify. And on this channel, I teach complete beginners e-commerce, digital marketing and web design. If these are things you love, consider subscribing. And I'm going to show you that exact theme I use, and it is called Woostify theme. And I'll give you reasons why I actually use this theme. Number one is that this theme is absolutely free and it is WooCommerce integrated. It is lightweight, it's built for performance and SEO. Its pro version is quite affordable for freelancers, agencies and small business owners. It fits into your budget. Number four is that it is coded without jQuery. jQuery is a code that is loaded. When it is loaded, it comes with a lot of codes. It is well coded, right? It doesn't use jQuery. The main programming language that it uses is called JavaScript Vanilla, right? So I will log into my PC now and show you websites I have built with this particular theme and why I love this theme and why you should consider getting it for yourself. You come to my website, right? This is my website. You can see this website is built with Woostify. So let me open it in a new tab. This is a professional e-commerce website for a brand. All right, so I built this website for a client. So can you see how it looks? Very clean. So let me quickly show you another website. So this is another store built with this particular theme and it is absolutely free. So I'm going to share with you why I love this. So let me quickly show you how to get access to this free theme. You just want to come to your browser and type faithamole.com/Woostify. Just type Woostify and then boom, it will take you to the website. And I will also leave the link to this particular theme in the description of my video. You can also install it in your WordPress admin dashboard. I want to show you something here. So this is this theme. It is the best free WooCommerce theme you can actually use to optimize your store for sales. If you want to optimize your store for speed and performance, this is the best theme you can use to build your store. I've also used other themes like Cadence, Blogsy, Astra and all of that, but this particular one beats all of them, and the reason why I stick to it. So let me quickly show you something you need to see. This is lightweight. It's built for SEO, specifically for WooCommerce. Right? It's not multi-purpose. You don't have to start using it for other things. It's specifically for WooCommerce. So let me quickly show you something you need to see. So no jQuery, right? Only use vanilla JavaScript. This alone has reduced the bloating, the heaviness. So you can see the total page speed. You can also copy the link to this theme, go to your page speed insights and check the speed yourself. So you can do that. Can you see that this theme is absolutely fine? So let me show you another thing you need to see here. Let's go to premium and let's see what you will get in the pro version if you eventually want to go for the pro. But the free version is even enough for you to build anything you want to build. But this is something you get: Woo Builder, you get Theme Builder, you get Smart Product Filter, a lot of fantastic stuff. This is the theme you would want to buy immediately if you want. So these are the things you get in the pro version of this thing. So let's go to pricing. Let's see what the pricing looks like. You can see that this pricing beats other pro theme, right? So let's see. This is the annual pricing. I would advise any agency owner or any freelancer to go for the lifetime deals, because with the lifetime deals you don't have to pay annually, you don't have to pay yearly, you just pay once and it is one time. And for any agency or freelancer, I would advise you go for Woostify agency, because with this you can spend only $299 and then you get unlimited sites. You can use it for any kind of website. You can use it up to 200 websites for your client. So if you purchase it once, you are purchasing a one-time license. You can also get a lifetime update. This is one thing I love. Anytime they update this thing, you don't need to struggle. Just go to your dashboard and update. You are getting a lifetime support. You can get pro access to all the starter templates they have. You have all the pro add-ons, and the best thing is that you can reuse it. Let's say you buy this particular package, which is the Woostify agency package, a lifetime deal. You can use it on any website at all. Once you get a gig, you can charge your client $200, $500 to build a website, and then you use the same thing. If you get another client, you use the same thing. If you get 10 clients, you use the same thing for 10 of them. If you get 100, when you divide it, you see that you're making a lot of profit, and that is why I prefer this. This is the exact package I would advise you to go for, and the package I also use. This is why I love it. Just buy it once and you are good to go. You can just click on buy now, enter your details. If you're using PayPal, you can pay with PayPal. If you're using any other debit or credit card, you can use that to pay right away, and you are good to go. This is the best thing. I've shown you the websites I've built with it, and I've also shown you the reason why I love it. So if you decide to get it, I will leave the link in the description of this video, so just click on it, or click on the link I actually said earlier, faithambole.com/woostify. It will bring you here to get access to this best theme. You know what, you don't have to believe me yet, just use the free version. If you love it, you can decide to upgrade later, right? So that is the best thing you can do. If you want to learn web design with WordPress as a complete beginner, I have a playlist, a dedicated playlist here you can watch, where I have done a lot of videos on WordPress for beginners, Elementor for beginners. I will also leave it in the description of this video. See you in my next video.